Imagine a car that can transform its appearance at the touch of a button, shifting seamlessly from elegant black to pristine white, or even displaying a vibrant spectrum of colors. BMW has turned this futuristic vision into reality with its pioneering color-changing technology, first unveiled in the iX Flow at the 2022 Consumer Electronics Show. Wrapped in e-ink, the same technology found in e-readers, the iX Flow could shift between black and white hues almost instantly, offering both aesthetic flexibility and practical benefits, such as enhanced energy efficiency by reflecting sunlight when needed. Building on this breakthrough, BMW introduced the iVision D concept at the 2023 CES, taking the idea even further. This remarkable vehicle is equipped with an advanced e-ink system made up of 240 individual panels, each capable of displaying a different color. The result? The car can showcase up to 32 distinct colors at once, creating dynamic patterns and styles tailored to the driver's mood or personal preference. It's not just about looks. The iVision D integrates cutting-edge interactive features, including a head-up display that spans the entire windshield, blending digital information directly into the driving experience. Even the car's digital grille can exhibit facial expressions, forging a unique emotional connection between car and driver. As of October 2025, these innovative technologies remain in the concept stage, with BMW yet to announce plans for mass production. However, the company's continued investment in this field signals an exciting future where customizable car exteriors could become a reality for everyday drivers. BMW's color-changing cars are more than a technological novelty. They represent a bold step toward personalization, energy efficiency, and interactive design, redefining what it means to drive and own a vehicle in the modern age.